kami ni Pakistano. Then anong oras na kagabi kami natapos. Ayan, walang tao. Tapusin na daw niya yan. What? Ha? Yung old ano? Yung cold cleaner. Ito tayo. Always carbon? Put in the ano, customer service. Why? You go in the max? 100. Not only 100.
Depending how many
Points? Maybe 2 points, 3 points. It's good na. Why? And then another you're collecting again this one? Don't be shy. Why? Crazy. You shy, but if you have points, you are proud. Bit yung remote. Kami dyan. Yes, sa NS Max, guys. Punta kami dyan. Bit-bit niya. Sira kasi yung machine. Sabi ko iwan nila sa customer service. Can we leave this one beside? Because, oh, I said na, customer service. Oh. Your side na. There. Okay. Okay na, there, oh. Yeah, this one original.
How much this one?
Ay, sampagita.
How much?
Ayan, oh. 29 dirham. 30 dirham. Sampagita. Original. Yes, fresh. You want? Put in your Arbab house. Sampagita, Burhan. Sampagita? Sampagita. Not lemon.
Orange.
I don't know this one, oh. May smell. Sampagita or jasmine? I don't know. I don't have idea. Kami, guys. Tanong naman kami kung saan sa underwear-dawar ka. Dirham lang. What is this?
Lemon.
Lemon. Bumili siya ng lemon. Uwi daw niya sa bahay ng amo niya pagbabayad niya. Also this one, lemon?
भैया ये नीचे कैसा लिख जाएगा हाँ ये होगा आ जाओ काम
10-15 liit. Mga cactus, oh. Ganda, oh. Wait. Ang ganda, oh, sa bahay. Oo, iilaw yan, guys. Ganda. I like. Also.
this one same same
This one, same. Have lights also, this one. Ganda. Wow, ganda sa bahay, oh. Mayaman. Ito, pambukor. Pang-usok sa bahay. Yes. Teka lang, punyeta ka. Buran this one, oh. Gaganda. Kaka-adik. Ganda, guys.
Your Spider-Man? Bring one, يلا تعال.
No. Towel.
Yan, balik yung glass.